1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Oh, that's it. Set. Oh, Simon likes it, fam. Yeah. So in there is the unsung hero, I reckon, of four-wheel drives. And what do you mean by that? Well, you don't, you know, once you put it on, really at the end of the day, you never see it. It's the suspension. Mate, it does all the heavy lifting. For 100%, the suspension does the heavy lifting when you're off-road, on-road, corrugated roads, dirt roads, hardcore, Cape York, Gibb River, you name it. The fact that I can get adjustment from the shock absorber individually, rebound, all that sort of stuff is adjustable, right? Now that is awesome. So the fact that you can stick it under your truck, cover all the heavy loads, handle those extremely rough roads that Australia dishes out, mate, you want to get yourself some good suspension if you're going to do that. That's why we use the Outback Armour, because it definitely works.